Today we have Skye here who's getting a special treatment. One of my favorite lasers that we have is the CO2 laser. I love this device because it actually shrinks and tightens your skin, getting rid of fine lines and wrinkles, but it also gets rid of discoloration on your skin as well. This is like the gold standard laser for rejuvenation. So Skye is going to be our patient today. Thank you, Skye, for joining us.
Yeah, model.
Our model, yes. So what are you hoping to accomplish today?
Definitely tone and texture. So I definitely have discoloration and hyperpigmentation. So I want that gone. I notice it. I would like to be tighter, right? Fine lines gone, deep lines hopefully, and just an overall smoother appearance and smaller pores.
Sure. Okay, so now with this, we're probably not going to get the pores, unfortunately, because there's no great treatment for pores. I use Retin-A for pores, and I like IPLs for pores with Levulin. But for the other stuff, it's going to be great. So we're going to get started. First thing we're going to do is we're going to put eye shields in to protect your eyes. Okay, so now with this laser, this is like one of my favorite devices. It is a little bit sensitive because we do have the laser beam that shoots out of the laser and it reflects off different mirrors to come out in the end. It's a very powerful device. You really have to have some experience if you're going to use this laser. But if you do use it with the right parameters, it's a safe laser. In the old days, it could cause white discoloration on the skin and scarring. But now that we know how to really use it after all these years, it's very safe. So what we do is we test it on a tongue depressor. And what we're doing is we're just making sure it's the right depth and the right concentration here. So we can see that it's working perfectly, and so we're safe to use it on her skin now. So you can see the skin actually just tightening when we do it. Okay. And I like to do that separation, sorry, there's a little hot spot right there, between the cheek and the eye, because oftentimes with birthdays that gets more prominent, and this kind of helps to erase that line between the eye and the cheek. So that's one of my favorite things. Now we're going to do the nose all the way up to the forehead. Okay, and the aftercare is really, really simple. It's basically three things: no sun, no picking, and keep it greasy. That's it. No sun, no picking, and keep it greasy. Now we have other products and keep it moist. Skye is loving the word moist. I'm still not going to use it.
I love it.
It sounds creepy.
No.
Like if a guy says moist, it doesn't sound good.
No, it's
I can't
positive.
say. Okay, so let's see here. So yeah, we're taking out our eye shields now. And do you feel sexy now?
No.
Well, I'm glad you said that because
No, I do not.
This is beautiful to me, and I always tell my patients when they come in, I'm like, you look so perfect, you look great, and they're like, what is wrong with you? But we know we can see the future. This is the one place where I'm a little bit psychic, and so I can see the future. So it's going to be really great. Now Lee's going to do a little bit of adding some grease. I'm going to let Lee take over. We'll be seeing Skye a lot during her recovery, and I'm looking forward to seeing her videos on how to actually take care of CO2.